Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Let's take a look at our first chart of the day. It's nice to finally see some green with just under 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close on this Friday, March 13th. Friday the 13th. The Nasdaq 100 is trading sharply higher following the worst week for stocks since 1987. Of course, the coronavirus remains front and center as fears have reached the masses, with travel plans canceled and announcements of major events called off coming nearly every hour. And of course, work from home is really becoming a big part of the narrative as well. But at least there are mitigation efforts finally being implemented to tackle the virus. President Trump is expected to declare national emergency via the Stafford Act over coronavirus at a 3 p.m. Eastern press conference. Trump also spoke Friday with Emmanuel Macron. The French president tweeted about the pandemic and agreed to organize a video conference with world leaders on Monday to coordinate research efforts on a vaccine and treatments and work on how to respond to the economic fallout. Bank of Canada just moments ago also cutting interest rates by 50 basis points. Let's take a look at some Nasdaq 100 names on a positive note. Cowen reiterating its outperform on Apple, saying fieldwork suggests that near-term supply chain is on track, but the medium-term demand profile remains uncertain. William Blair upgraded Citrix Systems to outperform. AMD also got an upgrade to outperform at Northland, while United Airlines was downgraded to neutral at UBS due to capacity cuts. Everyone stay safe out there. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.